Welcome back to Activity 26, Section 2, the commutative property of addition. This is Section 2 of Activity 6. Today we're going to be using the wall of 10 we made in Section 1 to learn about the commutative property of addition. It's quite a long word. I'm going to clap it for you in syllables. Commutative. Commutative. Some teachers call the commutative property of addition the turnaround property of addition. What this means is that you can have two parts and you can add the parts in any order. Swapping the order of the parts does not change the size of the whole. We are going to do an activity to help us focus on the commutative property of addition. When you look at your wall, you will notice that some rows use the same parts, but they are in a different position. We are going to split the wall where this happens. Next, we're going to place rows that use the same parts, but are ordered in a different position, using the commutative property of addition next to each other. We don't fill 5 and 5 because if we swap these parts around, they're the same numbers. We are going to say these two-part bonds that are related using the commutative property of addition, remembering to touch the parts as we say them. I'll go first. 0 and 10 is equal to 10 and 0. 1 and 9 is equal to 9 and 1. 2 and 8 is equal to 8 and 2. 3 and 7 is equal to 7 and 3. 4 and 6 is equal to 6 and 4. Next, it's your turn. You can push pause and do this by yourself, or you can join me. Ready? Go. 0 and 10 is equal to 10 and 0. 1 and 9 is equal to 9 and 1. 2 and 8 is equal to 8 and 2. 3 and 7 is equal to 7 and 3. 4 and 6 is equal to 6 and 4. Pause the video and complete Section 2.